I might not be the smartest bird in the world.
Were you going to follow that up with something?
No, I just realized I might not be the smartest bird in the world.
A wise bird once told me, be true to yourself.
Was it me? Was it Trash Bird?
No, Trash Bird. You told me to change my name to Santoro.
That would be so tight.
That's not the point. Are you listening to me? Hey, I'm Santoro.
Trashbird is thinking about life. As he contemplates the brevity of existence, a sadness washes over him. But then he remembers he has a leftover taco in the fridge. But then he remembers he ate that taco already.
What's the point of anything?
Trashbird, what is your greatest dream?
To be able to fly.
You can already fly.
Well then, I guess I'm done. Let's go get a pizza.
Trashbird, you look beautiful.
Thank you. I am going to the dentist.
You dressed up to go to the dentist?
Do you not?
You look beautiful, Trashbird.
Thank you. I have a secret.
Do you want to talk about it?
No, it's a secret.
Is it about that floating crystal eye?
No.
Trashbird, when I count to 3, say the first thing that pops into your head. 1.
Tuna fish sandwich.
I have to count to 3.
Avocado. Peanut butter sandwich. I'm sorry to waste you, Broccoli. It's just that I hate you.
It's okay, Trashbird. Everyone has things they don't like. And I'm sure you're a very nice
Trashbird, we all possess the ability to become anything we want.
I just want to be Trashbird.
What if you could be an even better Trashbird?
I just don't know what to think about the election.
Well, think about this.